Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to find who you follow on Amazon. This can be really useful when you want to manage your followed creators or keep track of the people whose content you're interested in. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as this feature is only accessible when you're logged into your Amazon account. Now, here's something important to note. Amazon updates its interface quite frequently, and the Your Follows or Manage Your Follows links may have been relocated or might even be temporarily unavailable in some accounts as of 2026. This is because Amazon might have removed this feature in certain regions or from specific account types. So if you can't find it in the usual spots, don't worry. There's an alternative way to see who you follow, and I'm going to walk you through that method now. Navigate to the top search bar on the Amazon homepage. This is the main search field where you'd normally search for products. Instead of searching for products, type in Amazon Live. This will bring up Amazon's live streaming platform where creators showcase products and interact with viewers. Once you're on the Amazon Live page, look over to the left panel of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Following. This area displays all the people you currently follow on Amazon. Here, you'll be able to see a complete list of creators and accounts you've chosen to follow, making it easy to keep track of everyone in one place. And that's it. You've now located who you follow on Amazon using the Amazon Live platform. This workaround is especially helpful if the direct follows management option isn't readily available in your account settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.